السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعزائي طلاب الصف الثالث الإعدادي لغات، هنكمل اليوم دروس الجبرا. The lesson of operations on algebraic fraction. If x belongs to the common domain of the two algebraic fractions n1 and n2, where n1 of x equal f1 of x over f2 of x, and n2 of x equal f2 of x over f2 of x. Find the sum and the difference between n1 of x and n2 of x. يبقى then n1 of x positive or negative, n2 of x equal what? Writing the value of n1 of x, it will become f1 of x over f2 of x plus or minus f3 of x over f2 of x. The denominator are equal. You're writing the denominator f2 of x. Writing the numerator, it will become f1 of x, positive or negative, f3 of x. For example, 3 over 5 plus 1 over 5 will become, the denominator is the same denominator. But I think is the denominator. And find the sum of the numerator. 3 plus 1 will become 4 over 5. If n1 of x equal f1 of x over n2 of x, and n2 of x equal f3 of x over f4 of x. The two denominators are different. And then n1 of x positive or negative, n2 x equal what? Writing the value of n1 and n2 become f1 of x over f2 of x plus or minus f3 of x over f4 of x. So multiplying two denominator, it will become f2 of x times f4 of x, and multiplying f1 of x times f4 of x, f1 of x times f4 of x positive or negative, f2 of x times f3 of x. For example, 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2, it will become what? Multiplying, it will become 6. 2 times 1 equal 2, 2 times 2 equal 4, 4 times 2 equal 8. 8 times 2 equal 16. 16 times 2 equal 24. 24 times 2 equal 36. 36 times 2 equal 120. 120 times 2 equal 2. 2 times 2 equal 4. 4 times 2 equal 8. 8 times 2 equal 16. 16 times 2 equal 24. 24 times 2 equal 36. 36 times 2 equal 48. 48 times 2 equal 120. 120 times 2 equal 4. 4 times 2 equal 8. 8 times 2 equal 16. 16 times 2 equal 24. 24 times 2 equal 48. 48 times 2 equal 48. 48 times 2 equal 24. 24 times 2 equal 48. 48 times 2 equal 24. 24 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 3 times 1 equal 3 يبقى become 5/6. Example 1. Find the n of x in the simplest form showing its domain where n x equal 3 over x plus 3 plus x over x plus 3. First find the domain of n of x. The domain equal what? The domain equal r difference what is the number make the denominator equal 0, or take the x opposite sign of the number positive 3 يبقى become negative 3. n of x equal x plus 3 is the common denominator between them يبقى become 3 plus x. Rearrange the numerator, it will become x plus 3 over x plus 3. Make the simplest form, it will cancel x plus 3 with x plus 3 will become 1. Letter B, n of x equal x over x minus 2 plus x plus 2 over x power 2 minus 1. First, make the factorization of the denominator, writing n of x equal x over x minus 2 plus x plus 2 over x, make the factorization x minus 2 times x plus, what is the domain of this function? The domain equal r difference open brackets, take the opposite sign of negative 2 يبقى 2, and take the opposite sign of positive 2 negative. Make the simplest form, يبقى cancel x plus 2 with x plus 2 يبقى become n of x equal x over x minus 2 plus 1 over x minus 2. What is the common denominator between the common denominator? X minus 2. Writing x minus 1. Letter C, n of x equal x over x minus 3 minus x power 2 plus 3x plus 9 over x power 3 minus 27. First, make the simplest form of the letter C. N of x equal x over x minus 3 minus x power 2 plus 3x plus 9 over x power 3 minus 27. And first make the factorization of the denominator and numerator. Then n of x equal x over x minus 3 minus x power 2 plus 3x plus 9 over, this is the difference between two cubes, open two brackets greatest and smallest يبقى become x and x power 2 minus 3 يبقى this become 9. This is negative يبقى this become positive. Multiplying x times 3 يبقى become 3x. What is the domain? The domain equal r difference what is the number make the denominator of the first equal 0 or take the opposite sign of negative 3 يبقى become 3 and this x minus 3 يبقى become 3 x power 2 plus 3x plus 9 does not exist. The zeros of these expressions cancel, make the simplest form. Cancel x power 2 plus 3x plus 9 with x power 2 plus 3x plus 9 يبقى then n of x equal x over x minus 3 minus 1 over x minus 3. What is the common denominator between them? Common denominator, common factors between them of the denominator will become x minus 3. Writing the numerator and denominator and writing the sign between them will become x minus 1. Letter D, n. X equal 3x minus 4 over x power 2 minus 5x plus 6 minus 2x plus 6 over x power 2 plus x minus 6. The first make the factorization of the numerator and denominator. n of x equal 3x minus 4 does not exist the common factors between the term. X power 2 minus 5x plus 6 make two brackets x and x. Find the product of two numbers equal 6 and the sum of it equal 5 يبقى become 3 and 2. Sign positive يبقى then to sign become the sign of the middle term negative and negative. Negative. What is the common factors between 2x and 6 يبقى become 2. Open brackets x plus 3 x power 2 plus x minus 6 يبقى become open two brackets x and x. 6 equal, find the product of two numbers equal 6 and the difference between them equal 1 يبقى become 2 and 3. The greatest takes the sign of the middle term and another takes the sign of negative. Make the simplest form. Before make the simplest form, find the domain. يبقى الدومين become r difference. What is the number make the denominator equal 0 يبقى take the opposite sign of negative 3 يبقى become 3 and negative 2 يبقى become 2 and negative 3. Make the simplest form. What is the common brackets between the denominator and numerator? Does not exist the first, but exists the common factors between the denominator and the numerator. يبقى cancel x plus 3 with x plus 3. n of x equal 3x minus 4 over x minus 3 and x minus 2 minus 2 over x minus 2 equal common factor between two denominator. X minus 3 does not exist. يبقى take x minus 3, x minus 2 and x minus 2 يبقى take x minus 2, x minus 3 times x minus 2 divided x minus 3 times x minus 2 يبقى become 1. يبقى writing the numerator 3x minus 4, writing the sign between them will become negative, writing the 2, x minus 3 times x minus 2 divided x minus 2, remainder equal x minus 3. Make the simplest form, يبقى then n of x equal x minus 3 times x minus 2, writing the 3x minus 4, 2 times x will become negative 2x plus 2 times 3 will become x, writing the like term together, it will become 3x minus 2x, it will become x, negative 4 plus 6, it will become plus 2 over x minus 3 times x minus